In this video, I'm going to show you how to cite and reference two different websites. Hello, my name is Martin O'Brien, and the purpose of my channel is to help students learn the skills to do great research. And yes, writing is one of those skills. Here I've started to write an article related to the COVID-19 pandemic. The information in these first two sentences did not come from my own head. In other words, the content could not be considered common knowledge. These sentences contain specific facts, and therefore the source of these facts need to be cited. To do otherwise is a form of plagiarism. I'm going to show you how to cite the websites I used in this article. Information in the first sentence was taken from this specific web page. What I need to do now is to gather 5 pieces of information that will be required to cite and reference this web page accurately. Number 1, who are the authors, or what is the name of the organization? You can see the authors listed here, but if the name of the authors were not shown, then I would just use the name of the organization or the name of the website. Number 2, what year was the web page created or last updated? For this web page, I can easily find this information by clicking Cite this research. Here I can see the year. It was 2020. Number 3, I need to find the title of the web page or the title of the article. Here we can see the title of the web page, Coronavirus Pandemic COVID-19. Next, number 4, I need to copy the full URL which I can find in the address bar at the top of the web page. Some people make the mistake of just using the URL ourworldindata.org, but that would be incorrect because a website can contain potentially thousands of pages, and therefore it will be impossible for readers to track down the cited information. What you need to do is move the cursor inside the box and click, and then copy the full URL. And the 5th and final piece of information I need to collect is the date I viewed the web page. So that date is today, the 27th of July, 2021. Unlike books or journal articles, web pages can disappear or change, so it is important to tell the reader when you viewed the web page. Now that I have collected all the details to cite and reference the source accurately, I'll return to my Word document and enter this information there. I first entered the authors and the year of publication as an in-text citation. This is also known as a reference. Then I added the full details of the citation into the reference section. You can see the authors, year of publication, the title of the web page, the URL, and the date I accessed the web page. Please don't forget to add the title of the web page because it's often omitted. And here's one additional tip. When you cite content from a web page, be sure to record these 5 pieces of information, otherwise you may not be able to find the exact web page again. Okay, that's the first sentence. Now for the second sentence, we need to repeat what we've just done because that information was sourced from a different website. In the WHO website, I cited information from this specific page and this specific sentence. Again, I will gather the details about the web page. So I cannot find who published this article, so I will use the name of the organization. In this case, it is the World Health Organization. Next, I can see that this article was published in 2021. If the year is not visible, you may be able to see the year at the very bottom of the web page. The title of the article is The Effects of Virus Variants on COVID-19 Vaccines. And then we need to copy the full URL. The URL is not who.int. And finally, I will record the date I viewed the web page. I will now enter all this information into my Word document. First, I'll add the in-text citation. the organization's name and year of publication. Then I'll add the full details of the citation into the reference section. By the way, if there was no year of publication shown on the web page, you could just write ND, which means no date. But on this web page, the year was provided. Thanks for watching.